Bula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. This is the third time that I am here in Korovou within a month's time. And I'm happy that I'm back again here in Korovou village. At the outset, I would like to thank the Vanua and the people of Korovou for this Yamana ceremony, Vinaka. My visit with you here today is a very special one, because what I'm about to hand over will definitely help the skilled fishermen of this community to be safe at sea and increase their catch. Therefore, I'm pleased to officially hand over to the members of your youth club this 19-foot fiberglass boat with its 40 horsepower outboard engine with the safety equipment. I know you will use it well and for the purpose it's been given. No picnic. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that this assistance will make a big difference in the life of your community. This project or the assistance was requested by the members of the youth club during one of my Telenua sessions here. And that is why it is very important that you voice your needs whenever you have the opportunity. Because we as a government needs to hear from you, the people, what your needs are. And then we will come in and respond in a responsible and an equitable way, favoring no one and leaving no one behind. Fiji Fair's government, through Ministry of Youth and Sports, priority is to reduce unemployment, create opportunities for our youths and Fijians to be successful in their life and contribute to the reduction of poverty and to promote economic growth. This assistance will definitely create employment. And also for us to see that our youths move forward and not backwards. This is all part of government's initiative to assist all Fijians to be self-reliant and sustainable and contributing to growing the economy and making a difference in our local community that we serve. Such initiatives empower young men and women in the community to take ownership of income-generating activities and improve the livelihoods of people in rural and maritime areas. You all can see by yourself that there has been a great progress made despite COVID-19. You all can see from Rekireki to Tavua, 3 major bridges are being built. Roads are being constructed. So I want to ask, is this not a progress? Despite COVID-19, free education has been continued. Social benefit has been provided. Guaranteed price for sugar has been maintained. All has that been assisted by the government. But still, we hear from politicians that nothing has been done. I want to urge all of you here today that you need to be very careful when you make decisions. You need to make decisions rightly, responsibly, so that we can have a better Fiji in future for our young ones who are sitting here. It is very important. Today I am surprised. I've been hearing over the radio, reading in the newspaper, everybody is talking about the youths. I want to ask, where were all these people last 3-4 years? We had youths around us. We have been reaching out to our youths for last 3-4 years. Not just now. We have appointed assistant youth officers in all districts. And the reason was that we wanted our assistant youth officers to reach out to the unreached youths. And I want to tell you that it has been a very successful exercise by appointing our assistant youth officers. Before we just had divisional office. I mean, you tell me, if you had some issues, youth issues, you won't go to Lotoka. But now, right now, you have an assistant youth officer based here to look after you people. And that has made our work a bit easier as well. So I want to remind all of you, before I do the official handover, that we need to be very, very careful of statements that we hear time and again. it is very important as Fijians to do the right thing. Not because of you, for yourself, but for the future of this country. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to officially hand over to this community this new boat with engine and the safety equipment. May it help you prosper, may it help your community grow, and may it keep you safe at sea. Vinaka, and thank you.
Ready?